So in this video, we are going to learn the exercise 10.2 in that fifth question. So the question is, find the ratio in which the line segment joining these 2 points A and B is divided by the x-axis. So let us understand the meaning of this. So let us take here x-axis and let us take the points A and B. So it is divided by x-axis means what? The line must be passing through the x-axis, x dash and here x. Let us take this as the Cartesian plane. So this is y and y dash. So suppose I have taken here A, that is 1 and minus 5. Just it is consideration. And here it is B, that is 4, minus 4 and 5. So it is divided by x-axis. Means what? It must be passing through the x-axis. So also find the coordinates of point of division. So here the point of division they are not given. That is P. But whenever any point whichever you are going to take on the x-axis, and the point of division is on the x-axis because x-axis is dividing this. So here always we will have the x coordinate, but y coordinate will be always 0. Remember, whenever you are taking the point on y-axis, that time x will be 0 and y will have the some value. So here we have to find out what? First of all, you have to find out the ratio. So in what ratio it has been divided, and even we have to find out the point of division, that is point P. So let us consider here, let P divides A, that is minus 5, then B is minus 4 and 5 into the ratio. So because we want to find out the ratio, let us take that as k is to 1, where k is m1 upon m2. No need to write this, but just for your information I am writing. And as we know, whenever such questions are there, we can use any one section formula. Like in section formula there are two parts. The section formula for x and for y of point of division is given. So let us write here. So for x coordinate of point of division, the formula is m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 upon m1 plus m2, then y equals to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. But as we know that we'll take m1 and m2 as k is to 1, and if you put here, that is k x2 plus 1 into x1, then k plus 1 will get here. Next y equals to k y2 plus 1 into y1. You can write directly y1 also because 1 into y1 is same. And here k plus 1. So in previous examples we have seen, we should get only k here to find out the value of k, because ultimately we are going to find out the value of k here. So we must know x, x2 and x1. We know this is x1, this is y1, x2 and y2. So this x1, x2 we know, k we have to find out, and we should know the value of x. But we don't have the value of x here. So, but we have the value of y here. Permanent value of y we have, because x-axis it is dividing the given line joining of AB. So we are going to use this formula to find out the ratio. So let us find out. So we will continue with this. Y is what here? 0. So you can take here this x and this is y, equals to k we don't know, y2. Y2 is 5. So k into 5 plus 1 into y1. Y1 is minus 5, k plus 1. So k plus 1 will bring this side, it will be 0. 0 into anything is 0. 5k here minus 5. So in order to find out the k, we'll bring this 5 this side, it will be plus 5, 5k. So the answer is 5 divided by 5 equals to k. So k equals to, here you can take 1. And k is what here? K is m1 upon m2, that is equals to, k is m1 upon m2, that is equals to 1. So bring this side m2, so m1 equals to m2. So ratio is same here. So once you got that value of m1 upon m2 is same, that is 1 is to 1 here. Therefore required ratio is ratio is 1:1. Next, because we can write here this as 1/1, that's why, because 1/1 is 1 only. So we got one answer here. Ratio we found. Now also find the coordinates of point of division. So point of division is P, X and 0. And here on x-axis y will be 0. You have to find out the value of x. To find out the value of x, we are going to use this section formula. Because we have the value of k here, that we got 1, x1, x2 we have. So we are going to find out the x here. So let us write the formula once again. K here x2 plus 1 into x1 divided by k plus 1. You can see here formula. So k equals to 1 we got. So x equals to 1 into x2. So x2 is here minus 4. So 1 into minus 4 plus 1 into x1. x1 is 1. You can write down in rough column once again. K plus 1. K is 1, 1 plus 1. So this is minus 4 plus 1 divided by 2. So that is minus 3 by 2. So x is here minus 3 by 2. So the required ratio is 1:1 and the point of division. Therefore, the point of division, that is the P. So here x coordinate we found, that is what, minus 3 by 2, and y is 0 here always.